Saturday the 15th.
And Josh was out and about with his camera taking pictures of some of those fantastic light celebrations.
Yeah, I got a lot of hellos from a lot of folks out there really enjoying their time. And, you know, the key thing that I took away is a lot of folks had on their layers. Yeah, definitely want to be wearing multiple jackets over the next several days as you head out to the Portland Winter Light Festival. Of course, it's tonight or has just concluded. We'll go again tomorrow from 6 to 10 and then again for next Friday and Saturday. But just a great time to be had out there. There you go, the fire-breathing dragon for Saturday. You maybe want to spend some time around that dragon because he definitely puts off some heat as those temperatures fall back into the upper 30s by the time we fall back to about 8 or 9 o'clock. But you got the green lights to go. Go ahead, just bundle up and be prepared for those dry skies. On the contrary, we do have a weather alert going back into place for the start of the day tomorrow. That's where a wintry mix is possible, all above about 1,000 feet or so, with just a few AM slick spots, a very real possibility. As that moisture is already tracking its way back into the Portland, Vancouver area, you'll notice out towards the West Hills, picking up on maybe a bit of that wintry mix. If anything, this is going to be melting quite quickly as it makes contact with the relatively warm surfaces, but we are expecting to see a lot of that moisture find its way back into the I-5 corridor over the Coast Range, also picking up on some heavier snow showers as well. 1 to 4 inches possible by noon on Saturday, 2 to 4 for the foothills of the Cascades. Again, for at least the I-5 corridor, if you're above about 1,000 feet, that's where you could pick up on just a few of those slick spots on the roadways. More snow to come for the high terrain. That's where we take a live look out towards the Mount Hood Meadows area. After the past 24 hours, hasn't necessarily been a big snow maker for us, but we're going to build back up that base layer by some significant numbers. We're talking almost an additional foot piling up on Mount Hood just in time for the weekend ski conditions. So that's all thanks to this low pressure system sliding its way through the Pacific Northwest. You'll notice that this cool pocket of air still sitting over much of the western half of the country. That will keep us cold and dry for much of next week before high pressure and a low pressure system helps to funnel back in that atmospheric river that will not only bring back the chance of widespread rain, but also bring back some milder temperatures. You can see that here with our snow elevation level starting to poke its head above 4,500 feet by the time we get into Thursday and eventually Friday of next week when we feel those rain impacts. But at least for the remainder of the night tonight, soaking rains for the I-5 corridor, maybe a wintry slush is a possibility. As we move our way to the mid-morning hours tomorrow, everything flips back over to that rain potential. Temperatures gain back up into the 40s. So if there is any lingering snow through the morning hours, it's going to melt even quicker, not only from the warmer temperatures, but also those rain showers as we dry things out by the time we get into Sunday. So here's a bit of a snapshot of what we anticipate as far as the snow accumulation goes. Yeah, there's light blue through the Willamette Valley, but if anything, it's going to amount to 0 inches to maybe just a trace that will be melting on contact, maybe 1 or 2 inches closer to the east side of town. Tonight, 34 degrees is where we expect to fall to. Tomorrow, back up to 44 by the afternoon, so we'll do away with those snow showers by about 9, 10 o'clock with those winds out of the south-southwest at about 5 to 10. So again, that weather alert is in place through the mid-morning hours. Then it expires, splash and ash showers by the afternoon. We dry things out, return the sunshine, but we keep those temperatures on the chilly side. Maybe some of the coldest air we've felt so far this winter season. Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday before the atmospheric river arrives just in time for Valentine's Day 1 week from today. Your countdown starts now.
Okay, be ready.
Yeah.
Thanks, Josh. Jeff?
I will talk